Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore 5 critical items you need to eliminate from your home immediately to prevent poverty and stagnation. It's crucial to pay close attention to this information, especially if you feel stuck in a routine and unable to achieve your desires. One or more of these 5 items might be the culprit. I'll explain each in detail and why you should remove them. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, like, and share our videos with your loved one. Comment below about how open you are to receiving blessings from the universe and express your gratitude, everything. Let your words echo to infinity, attracting all you desire. If you don't believe in the transformative power of the law of attraction, this video may not be for you. For everyone else, watch until the end to fully understand how to achieve the results you desire. First, it's essential to understand that everything in the world is energy. From you to every object in your house, everything has an energetic vibration that can either propel you forward or hold you back. When I realized this, I began to closely observe every item I owned and discovered that many had connections to my past. By eliminating them, I started to manifest miracles in my life that I had never imagined. Take a few minutes for yourself and pay attention because this information is incredibly powerful. If you apply it to your life, you will see miracles happen. The 5 things I will detail now are related to the principle of vibration. Let's start with the first thing you should eliminate from your house: clothes you no longer wear. 1. Clothes you no longer wear. When you buy clothing, it carries a specific energy that matches the situation you were in at the time. You've probably experienced buying clothes you loved and wore all the time, but then stopped wearing for some reason. This is because you have changed. We are always growing and evolving, and what you liked before might not fit who you are now. The clothes you no longer wear hold the energy of your past, which no longer matches your current energy. Keeping these clothes can hold you back and stop you from moving forward. Clear out your closet and only keep clothes that make you feel happy, comfortable, and confident when you look in the mirror. Think of it this way. Our clothing is an extension of our identity at any given moment. As we grow, evolve, and change, so too does our personal style and the energy we project into the world. Holding on to clothes that no longer resonate with who we are today and anchor us to past versions of ourselves, preventing us from fully embracing and stepping into our current and future selves. Imagine a closet filled with clothes that only bring you joy and confidence. Each item you put on would reinforce your current state of being and help you move forward positive. Donating clothes that are still in good condition can be a fulfilling way to give back and ensure that these items continue to serve a purpose for someone else. Alternatively, clothes that are beyond repair or worn out should be discarded responsibly. Before you get rid of them, hold each piece of clothing and say thank you for the memories and the time you shared. This helps release the energy and make room for new positive energy to come into your life. Number 2, broken objects. This includes anything from kitchen utensils to decorative items like vases, mirrors, and paintings. Remember, your home is your temple, and it's essential to take good care of it. Broken objects can disrupt the flow of positive energy. A broken plate, chipped vase, or cracked mirror might seem harmless, but these items carry negative vibrations that can affect your overall well-being. Instead of trying to fix broken items, let them go. Thank them for their service and the role they played in your life, and discard them responsibly. This act of gratitude helps release any residual energy the object might hold and create space for new, positive energy to flow into your home. Consider the symbolism of broken objects. When something is broken, it loses its original integrity and energy, becoming a blocker, positive energy. Even if you attempt to repair it, the object will never fully regain its original state or energetic vibration. In many cultures, broken objects are seen as omens of bad luck or stagnation. Therefore, holding on to them can subconsciously reinforce negative patterns in your life. By letting go of these items, you are making a powerful statement to the universe that you are ready to move forward and welcome new, positive experiences into your life. The process of discarding broken items can be cathartic and liberating, allowing you to release old energy and make room for the new. It's a form of self-care and respect for your living space, creating an environment that supports your well-being and personal growth. 3. Dirty or worn-out shoes. Your shoes carry energy and can influence your life's path. It's essential to keep them clean and in good condition. When you come home, make it a habit to clean your shoes, preventing any negative or external energy they may have picked up from entering your home. If your shoes are beyond repair, replace them with new ones. New shoes support your physical comfort and symbolize a fresh start and a clear path forward. By maintaining clean and good condition shoes, you nurture the journey of your life, bringing positive energy into your home and helping you step forward with confidence and clarity. Shoes are not just practical items. They are a representation of your journey through life. Every step you take in them absorbs the energy of the places you visit and the experiences you encounter. When you take care of your shoes, you are essentially taking care of your life's path. Clean, well-maintained shoes signify respect for yourself and your journey, and they help ensure that the path ahead is smooth and positive. When you come home, take a moment to clean your shoes. This simple act prevents any negative or external energy they may have picked up from entering your home, which should be your sanctuary. Think of your home as your temple, a place where you recharge and find peace. Dirty or worn-out shoes can bring unwanted energy into this sacred space, disrupting the harmony and balance you seek. If your shoes are beyond repair and too worn out, it's best to replace them with new ones. New shoes not only support your physical comfort but also symbolize a fresh start and a clear path forward. Your shoes bear the weight of your body every day, absorbing all the energy from your environment as you move through your daily routine. That's a big responsibility, so it's important to show them some love and care. Maintaining clean and good conditioned shoes is a small yet impactful habit. When you take the time to clean your shoes regularly, you're not just taking care of an accessory, you're nurturing the journey of your life. It's a simple, daily routine that brings positive energy into your home and helps you step forward with confidence and clarity. So, next time you come home, take a moment to clean your shoes, check them for wear and tear, and if they need to be replaced, do so without hesitation. By doing this, you ensure that your life's journey remains unhindered and positive. Number 4. Objects and clothes of deceased loved ones. While it's natural to want to keep memories alive, remember that memories should remain in your mind and heart. The rest is just energy tied to the past. If someone is no longer present in your life, let them go. Keeping their belongings can cause emotional stagnation in your home, blocking new and positive energy from flowing in. Focus on having things that are part of your present life. Release these objects to create space for new memories and experiences that align with your current self. Holding on to objects and clothes that belong to deceased loved ones can anchor you to a time that no longer exists, preventing you from fully embracing the present and future. While it's important to honor and remember those who have passed, doing so by holding on to their physical belongings can lead to emotional stagnation. The energy tied to these items can weigh heavily on you, making it difficult to move forward. Instead, consider creating a small, dedicated space or a memory box where you can keep a few meaningful items that remind you of your loved one. This way, you can honor their memory without allowing their energy to permeate your entire living space. By focusing on having things that are part of your present life, you create a living environment that reflects your current self and supports your personal growth and well-being. The past is already gone and no longer exists in the physical world. As the saying goes, let the dead bury their own dead. By releasing these objects, you create space for new memories and experiences that align with your current self. This doesn't mean you forget the people you've lost. It simply means you honor them by letting go and moving forward. Keeping your living space free from past energies helps maintain a fresh and vibrant environment, allowing you to thrive and welcome positive changes into your life. 5. Clutter. The energy in your house must flow freely. The lighter your environment, the more energy will circulate. Keep your house organized, open windows to let air and sunlight in, and avoid leaving things in the way. Perfume your house with beautiful plants that bring joy to your heart. Make your bed every morning and thank it for providing you with rest. Clean and harmonious house invites positive energy and makes you feel lighter and more resolved in your life. Clutter can be one of the most significant barriers to positive energy flow in your home. It can create a sense of chaos and overwhelm, making it difficult to find peace and clarity. By regularly decluttering and organizing your space, you allow energy to flow freely and create a more harmonious living environment. Start by tackling one area of your home at a time. Remove items that you no longer need or use, and find a designated place for everything you decide to keep. Open windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, which can help cleanse and energize your space. Incorporate beautiful plants that bring joy to your heart and improve the air quality in your home.